What's up, y'all? So if you had read the title, which I'm pretty sure you did because that's why you're here, yes, my daughter have made dinner. So she texted me and was like, I want to make chili. Alright, so I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you how it looks. So this is the vegan chili that Raybrael made. We have some sliced avocados seasoned with salt and pepper, the pink salt, a granite pepper, and we have vegan cornbread muffin in the shape of a beautiful flower. And yes, I am going to be adding some tamed some tamed jalapeno medium heat to this. Alright, y'all, so I just want to show you. Look at this. How beautiful that cornbread muffin is. And I wish we would have had yellow sweet corn, but you know, she used what we had in the freezer, which was the white sweet corn. So this is for dinner. Oh, I'm just so amazed how the little muffin looks so beautiful. And I just can't wait to eat. Okay, so I already added some of the jalapenos, and I am going to be drinking water. My daughter, I'm close this all the way. Hold on, I hope this. Okay, there you go. Water from this reduced water bottle that keeps your water really cold. Alright, so like I said, I want to cook a chili. And you know, I remember being in home ec in school. We learned so much. It was good that she wants to come home and cook. Wow, it's so pretty. That's just the bottom. I buy this Himalayan pink salt. I use this instead of the regular salt. Sliced tamed jalapeno peppers, medium heat. So good. Oh, those are really, really good. It's good to the point where when we make hot dogs, the vegan, of course, I put that on my hot dog. So we went to the store today to get some stuff for the chili, and she was like, "We gotta get the reduced sodium chili packs, because you know you can't have a lot of salt." Oh, she was thinking about me. I felt happy. Mm. Cornbread is so good. Yum. It's not winter time, but the chili is really good. Yeah, it's hot outside. It's hot in here. It must be hot outside because I got the window up and I'm still hot. These jalapenos is on point. You're getting a lot of fiber. You got kidney beans and black beans. I'm getting diced tomatoes. If you have not tried diced avocados on your chili, oh, you are missing out. Make sure you add your salt and pepper on the avocados. Make sure your avocados is soft, because they hard, but they soft. You know, season really good. It's like it melts. It's like it melts in your mouth. Yeah, it's like the avocado melts in your mouth and it tastes so good. I'm like almost done. But this is so good. Got this big piece of jalapeno. I think I want another one. And I don't have a lot left in here. But this was really good and hit the spot. Almost done. That one is like hot. Oh, sorry. Oh, I think that one. I'm gonna put a film, something on there. Look, if your kids want to cook, let them cook. I'm hot though. If your kids want to cook, let them cook. Because there's going to be some days where you don't feel like cooking. And hoping that they pay attention to when they cooking, so they won't just leave the stove. Like if they're making fries, you know you can't leave the stove, and you have to let them know. And let that grease stay unattended, because it'll burn up, it'll burn up, catch on fire, all that stuff. They gotta stay in the kitchen, pay attention to what they cooking. So, y'all, it's hot. I just wanted to share with you my dinner that she made. So, the children made dinner for you. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what they made. Were you happy that they just volunteered and said, hey, I want this for dinner, I'm good dinner? How did it make you feel? Look, y'all, I'm sorry. Ooh, I'm hot. Look, if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell to be notified, leave positive vibes down below. Continue drinking your water. So you want to be hydrated, and you definitely gonna need some water like days like this, because this weather be changing. Yesterday it wasn't even this hot, and now it's like, oh my goodness, I'm sweating. Like, oh, gotta cut the air on. All right, y'all. So make sure to be safe, and I will see you on the next video.